week has started with indecision small candle, which we can see it here when we zoom in a little bit. The previous week has ended with a pin bar, bullish pin bar, right here where the confluence of support is, where we have a horizontal support line and we have an uptrend support line which has made this bullish pin bar. So this week has started with small indecision candle, and after that on a Tuesday we have a bearish candle which has broke this support, which was held the price above this price level, above 1.06736. Tuesday candle, which is a bearish candle, was a trigger for the price, and on a Wednesday the bearish candle was a confirmation of this breakout. We can see that the price after the breakout to the downside did not return back up, which would suggest that this breakout would be a false breakout, but the prices continued to fall down, which you can see close to 1.05825. So after the Tuesday's breakout, the Wednesday candle has reached 1.06 price level, which was also mentioned in the previous week analysis. Just a minute, let's see it like this. Okay, then on a Thursday we can see that the price has reached 1.05825 support level, and from there has bounced a little bit up because of the price reached this demand zone where the buys are, and also where the sellers has exited from their trades that has pushed the price down. We can see that Thursday candle was also a bearish candle that is formed on the chart. On the Friday we can see there is a strong bearish push through this 1.05825 support level, which is also a signal that the sellers are much stronger than the bulls that are preventing the price from reaching this level at the demand zone. We can see that the price has reached 1.054 price level, which is close to this one, 1.0548, which is also visible on the chart that this is the price level that the price had problems in the past between the sellers and the buyers. Then we can see that the whole week was a bearish week, which has took the price around 200 pips from the week before. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see how the market looks. We can see that the whole week was a bearish candle, and the price has reached from 1.068 up to 1.054. So this week has broken below 1.05825, which is a support, but this is also the price has stopped right here at this monthly support trend line. So the price is currently here around 1.053 price level 54, which is also a critical level which you can see in the past for the price. If we go to the monthly time frame, where we have a few more days in the next week to confirm this month, so we can see where it will end. As we can see, the whole month was a bearish, but at the beginning we can see that the price has reached higher levels, 1.1 price level, and from there the price has gone down. Currently it is here on the support trend line where we can see it, and also it is around 1.05354 price level, which you can see in the past was also indecision price level for the bulls and the bears. Because we have 3 more days in the next week, we will see what will happen around this price level. Will the price continue to move down and it will close as a bearish engulfing candle here, or it will stay around this price level where it currently is, around 1.05 price level, and then bounce up to continue to move further up. So let's see what we can expect in the following week. Regarding the monthly time frame, this will be the final month in February, so we'll see how the price will behave around this price level where it currently is, and that is this downtrend support trend line. If the price goes a little bit more down, and that is around 1.0478, it will be close to this confluence of support, which will have impact on the price. There are buyers who are preventing the price to fall below this price level, 1.03920, and you will see will they manage to push the price again to the upside. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see where we have and what do we have here? So the price is currently below, but it is here around the confluence of support. In the previous attempts on the weekly time frame, we can see that the lowest price that the price has gone, it is 1.048, which is also visible on the monthly time frame, and we can see if the price goes below that, the next one will be 1.03920, where the price is currently with a bearish small trend. We can count that the price will continue to move down slightly, at least at 1.048 price level, which will be a critical level for the price. Will it continue to move down further to 1.03920? If the price goes down below that price level, we can see that the next level where the price has stopped in the past is around this price level, 1.036. We can see that this around this candle and also around this candle, this is the area where the price had problems. If you go in the past, you can see that this price level 1.036 is also visible here as the price that it was a small problem to reach high levels, and also here when the price was dropping down, we can see that the price had problems here, here, and here. So this is a small support for the price, but it is a significant support on the weekly time frame. Then if we go to the daily time frame, let's see a clear picture. We can see that the price is currently here and there is a confluence of support for the price. We can see that on a weekly and a monthly time frame, 1.04 price level, it is here, the lowest price for this candle. It is a price level where the price had problems. So currently the price is in between 1.05825 price level and 1.05087. So there is a high chance, and I'm expecting that the price will continue to move down and it will reach 1.05087. Just a minute. Then from there I'm expecting there could be a bounce for the price to reach again 1.05825 because of this demand zone, and also the sellers who are pushing the price down, they will exit from their trades at least partially around 1.048. So this is the price level where the price will experience some kind of confluence of support and it will bounce back up. Here we will see, will the price manage to close below to continue further move down up to 1.03920, or the price and the bias will manage to push the price back up above 1.05825. So the critical level for the price currently is to stay above 1.05087, or more clear 1.048 price level. If the price goes down and it closes on the daily time frame below that, we can expect the price will continue to move down to 1.03920. But if the price reverses back up and the bias becomes much stronger than the sellers, then 1.05825 is the first level, and the main price level is 1.06736. This is the confluence of resistance, and it is a supply zone where the sellers are waiting. If the price manages to return back up and close on the daily time frame above, then we'll be back in the uptrend. But currently we can see that the price has gone outside of this uptrend and it is now moving in the downtrend. So I'm expecting the price will continue to move down around this price level. From there I will wait and see where the price will go. If it is managed to stay here, it will be inside this area, which will be indecision area for the price, and below that it will be that the sellers are stronger and they will be much stronger to reach 1.03920, which is, you can see it is a monthly support price level. On the above side, we can see that this 1.06736 is on a daily time frame, a resistance level, and here we have a monthly 1.07825, a monthly resistance price level. So up to now I'm expecting that the price will continue to move down, and then I will wait what the price will do. Will it break above, return back to the uptrend, or it will manage to break below this monthly support trend line, which will mean that the price will continue to move down on a monthly, weekly and a daily time frame. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!